What's up, it's yours with the most. What's good with it? Checking in, giving you them behind the scenes action. You know how I do. Out here trekking in the city of Silver Spring. Just thinking about what's really going on. A lot of people talking about that mental health lately. I'm hearing more of it because you can see the difference. Now, if I would have said a reason for integration is perhaps we can help each other out with mental health issues, because people just have different things going on in their head. And the more catch that train action, more going to be more what's good with it. But nah, people is just what's going on in their head, like showing compassion. I don't know how good you're gonna be able to hear me because of the train, but anyway, but when I worked as an internal auditor, one of the big things was why? Is don't just stop at the first why. Ask at least 3 whys out. So when people just think, oh man, such and such crazy, but they not asking like, why? What's going on? What has this traumatic experiences this person has been through, seen, what they got going on in their head now, what experiences. Me, to do my part to help address it the best I can. That's why I talk about health and wellness, because I already know, like, the classes I've been through, the books I've read, the things I've seen, my life experiences, the things people are doing, even if they want to be good. It's like, even in their heart, if they want to be good, these things they consuming, they gotta get it out of their body, And when they get them out of their body, it turns into a manifestation of an action that we see. And people be like, man, I don't even know why I did that. I don't even know why, the slightest minds. So I gotta do something a little illegit real quick. Hold on. Shout out to being a slim dude, y'all. Ain't closed, we keep them open out here. So it's just like, how you gonna deal with it when people are just like, I don't know why such and such get acted out. A lot of that anger, that frustration is tied in your body not being happy with the stuff you feeding. And people was like, it run deep. I dig it. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, you gotta work that out. Because if not, you're just gonna be like, I don't understand why such and such do this. I don't understand. And at some point, you gotta take a look at what they eating, what they consuming, what they doing. And then you can start looking at what's going on, why things ain't making sense, why people doing this wild stuff, why health rates, obesity rates, hypertension, heart disease, high blood pressure, prostate cancer, colon cancer, why these things are increasing. Yet finances, social ability to interact with others, like these things you think we'd be excelling off the charts with now, even with the knowledge that we have, the health will be off the charts, the money for the collective people will be off the charts, the wellness will be off the charts. But something's happening. That's all I'm saying. Do how you do though, You can act like you don't know what it is, but regardless of that fact, just look at what you're putting in your system and see how that's treating you. In with the good, out with the good. In with the not so good, out with the not so good, However you gotta kick it, or you could do your thing however you gotta do it. Now, I can tell you only but so many different type of ways, but you figure that out on your own, and act like you don't know what's going on when it be happening, and then you just play the victim. I don't know why such and such did that, I don't even know. Alright. That's one way to play it. But we got another way. Find out, check that Bold Nature. Facebook.com/Bold Nature. Go ahead, join the group, get involved, show some love, do your thing. Keep it going out here. Easy though.